Hua to hua. No, good evening, Madhav, and good evening to my fellow panelists. Look, over the past couple of days, BJP supporters might say that Modi has done really well, the speaker's post and so many other decisions, but I think this has been the real masterstroke by Modi. Reinstatement of Sam Petroda. This has Modi's handwritten all over it. No, but to be serious, look, you must understand, whatever Sam Petroda said does not reflect Sam's mindset. This is the mindset of the Congress. They want to divide India because dividing India is what they've been doing for 75 years. This is their core expertise, bhai. And they think once they have divided India, they will easily be able to rule it. Remember, this is the same Sam Petroda who uttered that despicable phrase, hua to hua, in trying to rationalize the 1984 Sikh genocide perpetrated by the Congress. This is the same Sam Petroda who wanted to punish the middle class into paying more taxes, who wanted to levy an inheritance tax, who wanted to redistribute the wealth and reduce everyone and make everyone poor. This is the same Sam Petroda.
We are true Indians.
Madhav, can
I not be... Mr. Sabharwal, you can rebut that. Mr. Sabharwal, I'll give you a turn to rebut his statement. Let him complete. Let Dr. Raghunathan complete. Yes.
Yeah, this is not the Lok Sabha, Mr. Sabharwal. Have some patience. You can't rush. There is no well here you can rush to. So please be calm. Your chance to embarrassing yourself might come. Look, now, Madhav, where was I? I was talking about the inheritance tax. I was then talking about the same Sam Petroda who said something is wrong with the EVMs. Give me 1 year to study its circuitry and I will tell you what. Sam has been studying Rahul Gandhi for 40 years and he still hasn't figured out what is wrong with the circuitry. But then, as is the want, Sam went too far, leaving even the Congress at that point of time shamefaced and rushing to condemn him. Sam's statement, Madhav, was preposterous. Race is not a scientific concept. Science aati nahi hai, bolne lag gaye, purity even less so. Not only are 8 billion humans 99.97% genetically identical, modern human genome is but a mishmash of primate, plant, bacterial, parasite and viral DNA. Only fools conflate investigating genetic ancestry with racial purity. There is nothing like Indians who are Chinese, Indians who are Africans, Indians who are Arabs and Indians who are whites. This kind of generalization was condemnable. But did Sam say, I'm sorry? No, he didn't. He just went away and now he's come back as if खाने पीने गए थे, पान खा के वापस आ गए.